Okay, guys, so first of all, welcome to the show. It's me again, Paul P. Believe it or not, I'm home again. Yes, we ate out last week. I'm going to try and interchange, like eat out, dine in, and cook at home, then dine in, cook at home, dine in. It works. Or food review as much as possible. Now, for this episode, I wanted to keep it simple. I just wanted a simple dish, which is sweet and sour pork. So here we have a dish that is super easy to make. It's very known to the Philippines, and believe it or not, first time I tried this was not in the Philippines. First time I tried this was in Canada, and I fell in love with this dish. Thank God to my grandfather and grandmother for bringing me to that Chinatown restaurant that I can't remember the name, but they had really good uh, birthday noodles, and the sweet and sour pork was to die for. Okay, so let's get to the kitchen and start cooking. See ya. In our bowl, we're going to add in our egg, our white pepper, and some light soy sauce. There. Okay. After our light soy sauce, we're going to whisk this together until it's a very homogeneous mixture. There. Whisk it together. And then we're going to add in our pork. After the pork, we're going to mix this really well. And then I'm going to add our cornstarch. This will help crisp up the batter when we deep fry it later. And that's it. Let this marinate for 30 minutes and it's done. Heat your oil to 350. Then slowly drop in your pork one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan and deep fry it till golden brown. We just want this crispy and cooked, but we will finish this in the sauce. There. Once it's crispy, drain really well and set aside in a pan. A strainer will help. Okay, for the sauce, we're adding our vinegar and then we're adding our white sugar. We're going to dissolve the sugar really well while this is on the heat and make sure that it becomes a gastrique or a mixture of vinegar and sugar. And then we're going to add in our ketchup. Tomato ketchup will do. We're just using it for the color, not for flavor. There. Tomato ketchup is the way. Okay, stir this really well together and then let it simmer. Once it's simmering, we will add in our water from the tidbits, pineapple tidbits. Okay, we're gonna simmer this and then we're gonna stir it and add a bit more water. And then we're going to add the pineapples and our mise en place. Our mise en place is just basically onions and bell peppers. This is technically the garnish of the dish. It doesn't add flavor. Okay, simmer the veggies until it's fully cooked, and then we're going to add our cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. There. Stir it constantly and don't let it sit or it might burn. Okay. Once it's thickened, we'll adjust it by adding a bit more tomato ketchup. So we'll get that nice orange color. Okay. And that's it. That's our sauce. Now we'll add our pork. Our deep fried pork is going straight into the pan, and then we're going to toss this and let it simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes. there. Look at that. This is the way I learned from my teacher and from my school, and that is how we make sweet and sour pork. Okay guys, so we finished cooking. Here's what it looks like. Look at that. Nice porky goodness. We're going to get for a nice, look at that. Look how much sauce that has in. Really smothered in that sauce. We'll give this one a bite. Since we used pork belly, it became very tender. And there's still certain crunch from that breading. It looks so good. Now we'll try this one. This one's a fattier piece right here. How do I know it's a fattier piece? Because you can see the fat. Believe it or not, the pedada, the bell peppers, the onions, and the pineapple are just garnishes. The highlight of the meal is the pork and that sweet sauce, sweet and sour sauce. Okay, I hope you make this at home. It's very easy to make. Look at that. I'm sure that your family's going to enjoy this. And it's a good meal to serve family style. So, from my family to yours, thank you for watching. Hope you like it and see you in the next vlog. See ya.